stop buying the wrong gaming monitor for your first setup in 2026. You're wasting money and ruining your experience before you even start. I'm here to make sure that doesn't happen. This year, if you're just getting into PC gaming, you need the right display to truly see what the hype is all about. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the LG UltraGear 27GP850 is probably the absolute best starting point for 90% of you out there. We're kicking things off with a monitor that might seem wild, the Samsung Odyssey G9. It's a colossal 49-inch super ultra-wide beast, giving you an insane field of view that truly wraps around you. It's like having two high-end QHD monitors glued together seamlessly, perfect for extreme immersion and multitasking. Honestly, this is not for most beginners. This is for the enthusiast who knows they want maximum immersion and has the desk space and GPU horsepower to drive it. If you're building your first rig and want to go all out on a statement piece, and you've researched ultra-wides, then maybe, just maybe, this is for you. The honest flaw? The sheer cost and the desk space it demands are monumental. Plus, not all games fully support its extreme aspect ratio, leaving you with black bars on the sides. It's a huge commitment. Now, while the G9 is an absolute spectacle, it's not exactly the easiest entry point. For those looking for something a bit more refined, with jaw-dropping visuals that still feel approachable, let's move on to number 4. Coming in at number 4 is the Alienware AW3423DW, a stunning 34-inch ultra-wide OLED monitor. This thing delivers colors that pop, true blacks, and near-instant response times thanks to its OLED panel. Games look ridiculously good, with incredible contrast and vibrancy you just won't find on most other displays. This is for the beginner who understands the value of OLED and prioritizes visual fidelity and immersion above all else. If you appreciate cinema-grade visuals and want to experience games like never before, and you're willing to step into the ultra-wide world, this is a phenomenal choice. The catch? OLED technology, while gorgeous, does come with a higher price tag and potential concerns about burn-in over long-term static image display, which for a beginner might be an anxiety you don't need. Beautiful, yes, but OLED might still be a little too specific for a first monitor. What if you want something big, sharp, and versatile, especially if you're also gaming on a console? Our number 3 pick has you covered. At number 3, we have the Gigabyte M32U, a 32-inch 4K IPS panel that's a true workhorse. This monitor is fantastic because it balances size with incredibly sharp 4K resolution, making everything from productivity to high-fidelity gaming look crisp. Plus, its HDMI 2.1 ports mean it's absolutely brilliant for both PC and next-gen console gaming. This is ideal for beginners who want a larger screen, value 4K clarity, and especially for those who plan to game heavily on both PC and a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X. It's a versatile panel that won't leave your consoles feeling left out. The honest flaw here is that driving 4K at high refresh rates on PC requires a seriously powerful and expensive graphics card, which can be a significant cost multiplier for a beginner's budget. And for some, 32 inches can feel a bit too large for a typical desk. Big and beautiful, but 4K can be a demanding mistress. For those looking for a perfect sweet spot of performance, visual quality, and responsiveness without completely breaking the bank or needing a supercomputer, our number 2 spot is a fantastic contender. Coming in at number 2, it's the ASUS ROG Swift PG279QM. This 27-inch QHD IPS monitor is an absolute powerhouse for competitive gaming. It boasts an incredibly fast 240Hz refresh rate and a super low response time, making every movement buttery smooth and precise. Plus, its G-Sync Ultimate module ensures tear-free gaming with compatible NVIDIA GPUs, delivering a pristine visual experience. This is for the beginner who knows they want a competitive edge in fast-paced games like shooters or MOBAs, but still wants excellent image quality for everything else. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card and you're serious about smooth, responsive gaming, this is a top-tier choice that's hard to beat. The main drawback here is its premium price. While it delivers exceptional performance, that G-Sync Ultimate module adds a significant cost, which might be overkill for someone just dipping their toes into the gaming world. So, the PG279QM is incredible for competitive play, but what if you want all that amazing QHD performance, beautiful colors, and high refresh rates, but you want to save a little cash and get an even more beginner-friendly experience? That brings us to our number 1 pick for 2026. And the absolute best gaming monitor for beginners in 2026 is the LG UltraGear 27GP850. This 27-inch QHD IPS panel truly hits every single sweet spot. You get vibrant colors, wide viewing angles, an incredibly fast 165Hz refresh rate that can be overclocked to 180Hz, and a super responsive 1 millisecond response time. It's fast, it's gorgeous, and it just works seamlessly. This is for every single beginner out there. It's the perfect all-rounder that provides an outstanding gaming experience without any major compromises or excessive cost. It's easy to set up, performs brilliantly across all game genres, and doesn't require a top-tier GPU to get amazing frame rates. It's the gateway drug to high-performance gaming. If I have to be brutally honest about a flaw, it's that its contrast ratio, while good for an IPS, won't blow you away like an OLED. But for the price and the overall package, that is a minor complaint. There you have it, my friends. The best gaming monitors of 2026, perfectly curated for you, the beginner. Now, if you want to grab any of these incredible displays and start your gaming journey the right way, make sure to check the pinned comment and the description down below. I've linked directly to the best prices available right now, so you don't miss out. Go on, get gaming.